As I can see, there is Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel and this is Ditach. Good to see you here again. Today we are unboxing the Huawei Y6 2019, which is not the most recent phone, but I'm always glad to have a phone on my channel. So let's see what we got in here. It says that it has 32 gigs of internal storage, 2 gigs of RAM, and the color is sapphire blue. If you are interested in the model number, it is MRDLX1. As I can see, there are not any important things on the box, so let's see what we got here. So guys, this is the phone. It was actually announced and launched in 2019 March. This phone is capable of 2, 3 and 4G as well. If you're interested in the bands, I will put them in the description, so we will see if it will work in your region for sure. The phone has a glass front, a plastic back and frame as well, and it weighs around 150 grams, so pretty lightweight compared to other phones from this dimension. The display of the phone, I would say it's okay. It's not the best I ever seen, but it's okay. It is using a 6.09 inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 720 x 1560 pixels, resulting in a 286 pixel per inch density. The screen to body ratio is around 79.2%, which is not bad from a phone around €100. The phone comes with Android 9 and it is using Huawei's EMUI 9.1.0. Also, the phone uses a MediaTek MT6761 Helio A22 chip, which is based on a 12nm technology. It has a quad-core CPU with 4 2GHz Cortex-A53s. In other words, it is decent, it is okay, you can use it without problems for easy tasks. This is a dual SIM phone, but it has something special. I will show you right now. As we open the SIM card tray, we will see that we have not only 2 slots, but 3 of them. And this is a nice touch again from Huawei. If you remember, I unboxed the Huawei Y6P a few months ago and it has the same like this. So this is actually pretty nice because you can put 2 SIM cards and 1 additional microSD card and you don't need to use that secondary SIM card tray. So thumbs up for Huawei again. As I told you earlier, the phone has 32 gigs of eMMC 5.1 internal storage and 2 gigs of RAM. This is not too much, but it is okay. The phone has only one main camera. It is a 13 megapixel f1.8 PDAF, so face detection autofocus camera. It has a LED flash and it is capable of HDR panorama. It can capture videos in 180p up to 30 frames per second. The selfie camera of the phone, it is an 8 megapixel f2.0 camera, which is also capable to take 180p videos on 30 frames per second. Hey guys, this is me recording a video in not so good lighting conditions on a Huawei Y6 2019. About the sound, I can tell you that this phone is pretty loud. You can find 2 loudspeakers on the bottom of the device and you will also be able to find a headphone jack on the top of it. The phone has Bluetooth 4.2, GPS with AGPS, clone glass and BDS. Unfortunately it does not have NFC, but it still has a radio FM with built-in antenna. You can charge this 3020 mAh battery with a micro USB 2.0. If you would like to buy this phone, you can go to OLX and just search for it, type in Huawei Y6 2019 and click on my post. After that, if you're a subscriber, you're a lucky one because you have 5% off the phone's price. Thank you guys for watching this video. As always, I'm Daniel and this was Ditach. If you like this video, a like would be amazing and a subscribe would be appreciated. See you in the next one.